Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and a flip through and a first impression video of the Spellcasting Oracle cards. Now this is by Flavia Kate Peters and Barbara Meiklejohn-Free. The artwork or illustration is by Lisbeth Cheever-Gessaman. This is a 48 card deck and it includes a guidebook. It's published by Hay House and it retails for 19.99. All right, so that's how it looks like on the sides, the back, and the front. And at the back, it says here, "Have you ever wished you could cast a spell to change your life's path? Connect with your inner witch and add a little magic. The 48 cards in this deck will help you to harness thousands of years of supernatural wisdom to empower and heal your journey. Whether you're a seasoned witch or a magical dabbler, all the spells you need to conjure your desires are contained within this deck. Are you ready to work your magic? So, let's go." Now, at the back, it has a sample of the cards, images of the cards, which is, as always, nice. And let's just take off the plastic first. I think I've already removed a part of it a while ago. I just forgot where it is. There you go. Okay, so it's matte. Most probably the cards are matte as well. So let's open this one. And the back, it says in here, "As I open this box, magic abounds, for my spirit connects with the answer it's found. Feeling my heart open up to one love, beauty surrounds me below and above. Vibrations now raised, inviting in light, protection in place as I see with new sight. As I work with these cards, connect us as one. In peace and love, we are blessed. It is done." Hey, that's nice. Spell casting just by opening the box. Alright, so this is the guidebook. And alright, so it says here at the back, "Spellcasting has been used by witches since the birth of magic, and now that power lies in your hands. Each card of this deck connects you to the magical forces required for spell work. To harness and manipulate the energies needed to bring about your desires, discover how to work with moon phases, specific weekdays, and candle magic, in conjunction with unwavering focus and intent, though invocation and incantations. Each spell offers empowerment and freedom through the spellbinding act of transcendence as you harness natural magic to positively enhance your life." So there's a picture of them. And then the guidebook, you have the title page. You have, it was published 2020. So this is just a new deck. Wow. And, alright. It's a new card deck, and Kelly's here again. So that's a table of contents. So you have Hail and Welcome, The Ancient Art of Spellcraft. Hi, Kelly. What is a spell? Magical. Kelly is always like this. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. And later on, we'll play later, huh? Not now. I'm sorry. Alright, so where were we? I had to play with him for a while there. Alright, so we have magical weekdays, magical moon phases, how to cast your spell, working with card spreads, an interpretation of the cards, about the artist, and about the author. So that's a message from them. And then the ancient art of spellcraft. What is a spell? So before casting a spell, you must be extremely clear about its purpose and what it is you want. As you make a statement of intent, you're instructing the universe that you wish to affect change both for yourself and for the good of all. Or use your imagination. Okay, so let's see. Spellcasting do's and don'ts. And then the moon phases as well. So we have magical full moons in each month, the magical weekdays, magical directions, how to cast your spell, then we also have the spreads. We have a single card reading, 3-card spread, pentagram spread, and then of course the disclaimer. It's important that you have to cast the spell your way. Now, the spells, rituals, and workings in this guidebook are for entertainment purposes only. We've given you guidelines, but it's up to you to create your own unique magical spell. These spells cannot be scientifically proven, therefore, you must use them at your own discretion. You're responsible for your words, actions, and deeds. Do what you will, but harm none. In this process, so mote it be. So, yes, if you would like to cast a spell, as it says in there in the disclaimer, it has to be in your own way, and of course it has to be for the good intention, not the other way around. Right, so we have here interpretations of the cards. We have animals, magical guidance, spell incantation, and meanings. Then answers would be the same. Beauty. So for all the cards, it doesn't have a picture of the card. So that's the title of the card, the magical guidance, spell incantation, and its magical meaning. So for the spell incantation, you have there a sample of the spell. And then magical meanings would be the meaning of the cards. Guidance is how the card interprets. So that goes on until the last card, and then about the artist and about the author. So let's proceed with the flip through. I know that you guys are really excited, so oops, I'm sorry. Let me just remove the paper wrap first. So here is there's a manufacturing defect over there. So let's proceed with the flip through. The cardstock, of course, it's matte, and it's the usual, Hay House cardstock, thick, not too thin. But these 2020 cardstock are much better than the earlier cardstock that they had. I think I prefer this cardstock, this matte cardstock, rather than the old ones. But on second thought, I think I take it back. It doesn't feel buttery like the old ones. So, by the way, that's how the back looks like. And then the artwork. The artwork is really, really fantastic. They are really intuitive. And it has this magical look. The cat, a familiar engraving. Look at how happy she is. If you guys would like to if you guys would like to look further, or if you'd like to look at it a little bit longer for the cards, please feel free to click your pause button. You can really feel that love on that card, and this is how the front of the box look like. New beginnings. So it has this positive vibe, and it's not that bad at all. Oops. Wow. This is so beautiful. Now this card reminds me of the Six of Swords card. Trust, truth, mirror, and willpower. Right. The cardstock, I have some manufacturing defect right now that I can see. Oh, this is too bad. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see this one, guys, but so this is where it came from. I have some manufacturing defect here. This may not be the case for each box, but I just got the wrong one. Alright, so cardstock, they're a little bit, they are matte, but somehow it's like you can see a bit of a glare over there, right? Okay, let's try to shuffle the cards. Right, they are nice. Let's try to do an overhand shuffling. Alright, hey, this is really nice. I mean, for a matte, just a new matte deck, I think an overhand shuffling is really nice for this card. I love it. I think I would really prefer this kind of matte than the buttery feeling one. That's my mom's dog. So, all right, let's try to pull up one card and see how it reads from the guidebook. Oh, I got love. All right, so from the guidebook, it's by alphabetical order, so it's easy to find. All right, so from the guidebook, it says in here, oops, I'm sorry. There you go. The love that you seek is waiting to be made manifest. You'll know when it arrives, for love always looks for the best in others and is recognized in an instant. Love is your true nature, and it's necessary for you to honor the compassion you feel in your heart. When you're true to yourself, your light shines brightly with divine love, nourishing you from within and inspiring those around you. Heartbreak, loss, and rejection has caused your heart chakra to shrink, and your fears have become guarded and defensive. But have faith, for a little magic will bring about that satisfaction your heart requires in order to be whole. So you have the spell incantation, the step, and then the incantation itself. And then for the magical meanings, it says here, work with a rose quartz crystal, accept and believe in who you are. It's safe both to give and receive love. Honor your true feelings. Alright, so that's how the card is. This is how the Spellcasting Oracle deck is. I love this new card stock, by the way, than the buttery one. The buttery feeling matte card is also fine with me, but I think this is more easier to shuffle than the other deck. Than the other matte type. But anyway, so if you guys like this video, please go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Also, if you already have this deck, please let me know what you think, what your thoughts are, and have you used this one? What are the things that you like about this card? What are the things that you don't like about this card? For me, I would really like to use this one ASAP because they are positive. I don't have any negative things about it except for the manufacturer defect that I saw, and that's about it. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't had yet. Go ahead and do so, and also don't forget to hit the notifications button as well, or the notifications bell, so that at least you won't miss a single upload that I will post. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. This is the Spellcasting Oracle cards. Thank you guys for watching. Till my next video. Bye.